session. Today I talk about general chemistry of what is part 2. Previous live video, I was talk about general chemistry of water part 1. Today I talk about part 2. And previous video I was talking about what is the hard water and TDS, total dissolved solid. And today talk about pH, alkalinity and what is your water general chemistry. So let's go and talk about part 2. So what is the pH? pH is measure of solution acidity and basicity, sometimes refer to as alkalinity. More especially, pH measure the relative amount of free hydrogen and hydrogen oxide. Hmm, relative amount free hydrogen and hydroxide ions. So in the water, the pH scale ranges from 0 is acidic and 14 is basic and alkaline. A pH of 7 is a neutral, is a middle point of pH scale. 0 and 14 to middle point and 7 is a neutral. Water with more free hydrogen ions is acidic, with while water with more free hydroxy ion is basic or alkaline. Most tap water should fall in the range of 6 to 8.5. It's important to note that the pH scale is logarithmic. This means each step each step on the scale corresponds to a 10-fold change in acidity. For example, water with a pH of 4 is 10 times more acidic than water with a pH of 5. So why does the pH of water matter? Shift in tap. Water pH can be caused by many different types of chemicals. This makes pH a crucial indicator of chemical changes and health of your drinking water. So water with high pH may cause bitter taste and despite on pipes, fractures and applications, etc. Reduce effectiveness for chloride disinfection. Alter specialist of organic and inorganic compounds in your water increased corrosivity. So water with low pH may cause increased corrosivity. Altered specific of organic and inorganic compounds in your water. General increase in the substitutability of metals. Does the pH question is that does the pH of water make a health differences or not? So typically pH will not directly affect your health. However, as US EPA classifies pH as a secondary drinking water standard and recommends a pH between 6.5 and 8.5 for drinking water. If your water pH is outside of these times, then there is a stronger likelihood of pipes and fixtures to crowd of leach metals into your drinking water. Hello Donna, where are you from, how are you? low pH level Low pH level means below 7 can have seriously harmful health effects. You know what? One local wildlife like fish and pets, you may have also seen. No, sorry, I am not Amir. I am. My name is Dev. And what's your name? Where are you from? So mention of high pH water, also known as alkaline water. right? So and its touted health effects. Health trends was gained attention in recent. Yes, Dev, DEV, Dev. So recent yours as one of the most popular functional water fads, but current scientific literature is that fails to back up to claims of high pH water superiors health benefits. You know what? So question is that what is the pH ideal pH level of drinking water? I am talking about the chemistry of water, general chemistry of water. So mm, range of range is acidic, right? 0 to actually pH scale is a 0 to 14, and 0 to 6 is a acidic water. If your if your water is pH testing liquid is a comes your test and demonstration is done, and your um, water is the 0 to 6 level into the. So acidic 0 to 6 the acidic 0 is a very battery acid. You know what? And 1 is the gastric acid, 2 is a lemon juice types, 3 is a soda, and 4 is a tomato juice, and 5 is a black coffee, and 6 is the milk, right? And 7 is a neutral. 7 is a neutral. Is a 7 is a pure water, and basic and alkaline water is a 8 to 14. 8 is a sea water, and 9 is a baking soda, and 10 is a milk of magnesium, 11 is a ammonia solution, 12 is a soapy water, and 13 is a bleach, and 14 is a liquid drain cleaner. You know what? So also maintaining a pH level within a EPA recommended change ensure that your water is less likely to damage your plumbing system, and therefore less likely to leach harmful compounds. Water with pH value outside of 6.5 is and 8.5 is not necessarily harmful on its own. However, it fact carbonate water so often has low pH value, even pH below 7 and 6 and even 4. So drinking water with low pH as your main source of hydration could potentially impact your teeth over the long term, but there are no guideline regards to potential issue. So can I question is that can I change the pH of my water is better change the pH level? So if your tap water is too low below 6, you may consider any one of several non-treatment solution in order to raise the pH of your drinking water. Hello, yes, tell. If your what's your name, guys? So you can tap water pH too low, below 6 is the may consider any one of several non treatment solution is water to raise the pH of drinking water. So install a water software at alkali rich compounds and etc. Why where are you from, please tell. So and if your water pH is too high above 8.45 and you taste a chalky bitterness in your water, then you may consider lowering your pH by installing an acid injection system. So I talk about now is a what is alkalinity in water. Alkalinity is a better for your water's pH and better for your health. This means is a measure of your water ability to resist change is pH level. Alkalinity does this by neutralizing weak acids. That means enter your water on the way to your tap. So alkalinity in your tap water is normally expressed as the sum of concentration or bicarbonate, carbonate, hydroxide, and some phosphorus and silicates. So the alkalinity is your water usually originally from limestone like deposits that dissolve into your water source. And question is that why does alkalinity water? Why does alkalinity matters? Alkalinity mitigates sense to your water pH. You know what? This makes alkalinity important because swings in pH often lead to many other incredible and unnoticeable in your overall water quality. Such change may very well related to your water health and maintenance and concern in general. You don't want your water pH swing up and down, or else your water quality and water health will be hard to predict. So while lower alkalinity waters can be more corrosive, allow weak acids and enter the water supply, and they are more likely to lower the pH. Higher alkalinity waters are more likely to from scale on your pipes and other fixtures, why it makes your plumbing system less effective. So alkalinity is not determinal to humans. In fact, alkalinity can often have a positive impact on your pipes and water distribution system. So when combined with hardness, moderately, the alkaline water can form a layer of calcium and magnesium carbonate that can inhibit of reduce corrosion of metal pipes. So notice that most water distribution try to make your water slightly alkaline in order to strike a balance between cutting the pipes with a safe level of calcium carbonate and not so much so mm, that your pipes are at a risk of damage or scale buildup. So is alkaline water healthier? There is currently no health standards for alkalinity in water, drinking water. So while many bottled water companies have released alkaline water produced in the past several years, and the claims that alkaline water provides health. Oh, who are you? What's your name? Where are you from? So alkaline water companies may claim the alkaline water show again and increase energy levels, helps with uh, fertility, and helps you regulate your body's pH level and prevent chronic disease like cancer. But none of these claims have been proven. Let's talk about water more. Talk about how great black people are. People is a color, not a problem. Color is a, even black, white, and any more color. This is no problem. Problem is that what's the pH level and what's the TDS level is the important. You're from Jamaica, man. Rides by the beach boys are rule peace and love. So, how are you, man? And how's your family? And what's going on? So, what is the ideal alkalinity of drinking water? Alkalinity in parts per million, right? If your water is 30 to 400 ppm parts per million, FX is reasonable range of drinking water is actually, and 150 to 200 ppm is considered the ideal range of drinking water, and less than 500, less than 150 ppm may be corrosive to pipes of if your water also have the low pH, and more than 200 ppm potential for scale formations in pipes and of fixtures. So in general you want um, your water alkalinity measurement to fail within 75% to 100% of your water hardness measurement, assuming both are measured as calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a scientific scene is the CaCO3. This is because when reported in ppm part per millions of calcium carbonate, alkalinity, and hardness are nearly equal in concentration because they generally come from the same minerals. So notice is that uh, do not do not confuse alkaline water, high pH water with more oxidation hydrogen ions than um, positive hydrogen ions. With water alkalinity, water ability to neutralize acid and keep pH outside. So question is that what can I do about my water alkalinity, right? Because a broad range of alkalinity is drinking water is considered acceptable. It is not often that folks need to water their neutral water alkalinity. A low level of alkalinity is desirable. Is tap water because it serves as a buffer and prevents large swing in pH. So if there is not enough alkalinity, if your water perhaps because of in reverse osmosis RO water treatment machine, then you may try the following approaches to raise your alkalinity of pH, and a remineralization remineralization filter to add mineral back into your water. Install a water um, distilled ways, remove acidic in the water. So install a water ionizer and separate acidic and basic water. So I am come in the last position in my live session. So what is your general water chemistry? What is your water general chemistry? So each of the general properties of water explained above um, previous session and today first time, and have various impact on your water quality from taste, odor, effects to more troubling changes like the increased likelihood of metals launching into your water supply. So how do we know how your water measure up? The first step is to test your water. Using a certified laboratory to test your water will provide high precious result, and that is ensure that it result in a cure. Hmm. So this is my end of my live session, and I will come back tomorrow. This time you set your watch, and this time I will come back tomorrow. So till then, God bless you, and bye. So thank you very much. And if you are new people in our family, your YouTube family, so you can subscribe this channel and like, comment, share, obviously. Thank you. Bye.